Imagine earning money while you sleep, with artificial intelligence doing most of the heavy lifting. Are you intrigued? Stay tuned to discover how AI can help you generate passive income more effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable tips to start leveraging AI for a steady income stream. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, automated content creation. AI-powered tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can create high-quality content for your blogs, social media, or even ebooks. You provide the topic, and these tools generate engaging and SEO-optimized content. For example, a blog about digital marketing trends can be entirely AI written, freeing up your time for other tasks. Using AI to generate content regularly can help you to monetize your blog through ads and affiliate marketing. Consistent high-quality content attracts more visitors, increasing your ad revenue. Additionally, you can embed affiliate links within the content, earning commissions on sales made through those links. I recommend that you consider creating ebooks using AI-generated content, then selling them on platforms like Amazon Kindle. With minimal effort on your part, you can build a library of resources that generate continuous passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is AI-driven stock market trading. AI algorithms can analyze stock market trends and make trading decisions faster and more accurate than humans. Platforms like Quant Connect allow you to create and backtest your own trading algorithms using historical data. By using AI for stock trading, you can automate buying and selling stocks based on market conditions, reducing the need for constant monitoring. For instance, an AI algorithm could help you identify and invest in underpriced stocks, maximizing your returns over time. AI can also help manage your investment portfolio, automatically balancing it to minimize risk and maximize your profit. This means your investments continue to grow with very minimal intervention, providing a steady stream of passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is AI-powered e-commerce automation. Running an online store can be time-consuming, but AI tools like Shopify's Kit or Oberlo can automate many of these tasks. These tools handle inventory management, order processing, and even customer service, allowing you to focus on growing your business. AI can also optimize your pricing strategy by analyzing competitors' prices and the market demand, ensuring that you stay competitive. For example, dynamic pricing algorithms adjust prices in real time, maximizing your profits and your sales volume. Chatbots powered by AI, such as those from ChatFuel or ManyChat, can handle customer service inquiries 24/7, enhancing customer satisfaction and increasing sales. With these tasks all fully automated, your e-commerce business can generate passive income with minimal hands-on involvement. Let me now give you tip number 4, which is AI in real estate investment. AI can significantly streamline real estate investment by analysing market trends and property values. Tools like Zillow and Redfin use AI to provide accurate property valuations and predict market shifts. Using AI, you can identify profitable real estate investments without extensive research. For instance, AI can analyse rental prices in different neighbourhoods, helping you choose properties with the highest rental yield. AI can also assist in managing rental properties. Platforms like Propertyware use AI to automate rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant screening, ensuring a smooth operation and consistent rental income. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is creating AI-generated art for sale. AI tools like DeepArt and Artbreeder can create unique pieces of art which you can sell online. These tools combine different styles and inputs to produce original artwork suitable for prints, merchandise, or even digital downloads. By setting up an online store on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble, you can sell AI-generated art as prints, canvases, or on various products. Each sale adds to your passive income stream without the need for continuous creative effort. Additionally, you can license your AI-generated art for use in advertisements, media, and more, earning royalties. This way, your art continues to generate income long after it's created. Let me now give you tip number 6, which is AI-enhanced affiliate marketing. AI can optimize your affiliate marketing strategies by analyzing consumer behavior and predicting trends. Tools like HubSpot and Google Analytics use AI to identify the most profitable products and target audiences. For instance, AI can track which products are most popular among your site visitors and suggest the best affiliate programs that you can join. This ensures you're promoting products that are more likely to generate commissions. AI can also personalize marketing messages, increasing conversion rates. By using AI-driven email marketing platforms, you can send targeted campaigns that resonate more with your audience, leading to higher affiliate sales and passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is AI for dropshipping business. AI can revolutionize your dropshipping business by automating product selection, order fulfillment, and customer service. Tools like Spocket and Ali Dropshop can find trending products and suppliers, streamlining your business operations. AI-powered product recommendation engines can analyze market trends and customer preferences, helping you stock products that are likely to sell well. This ensures your inventory aligns with consumer demand, which helps to boost sales. With AI handling order processing and customer inquiries, you can focus on marketing and scaling your business. This automation means your dropshipping store can run more efficiently, generating passive income with little manual effort. Let me give you tip number 8, which is AI-driven social media management. Managing social media accounts can be time-consuming, but AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can automate scheduling and content posting. These tools analyze the best times to post and the type of content that engages your audience the most. AI can also help create engaging content by analyzing trends and suggesting popular topics. For example, AI can identify viral hashtags and create posts that are more likely to go viral, increasing your reach and your engagement. By automating social media management, you can maintain a strong online presence without constant effort. Increased engagement and followers can lead to monetization opportunities such as sponsored posts and brand partnerships, providing a passive income stream. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.